Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy glider plane. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need lightweight foam or balsa wood for the body and wings, along with a ruler, sharp scissors, and a reliable adhesive. Don't forget a pencil for marking and some sandpaper for smoothing edges. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic flying experience. Now, let's construct the main components. Cut your main wing with a wingspan of about 10 to 12 inches, ensuring a slight upward curve or dihedral for better stability. Next, shape the fuselage, which should be around 8 inches long and relatively narrow. Precision here helps with aerodynamics, so take your time with these cuts. Moving on to the tail section, which is crucial for directional control. Cut a horizontal stabilizer about 4 inches wide and a smaller vertical fin. Carefully attach the horizontal stabilizer to the top rear of the fuselage. Then, secure the vertical fin perpendicularly to the center of the horizontal stabilizer. Use a strong adhesive for a firm bond. Finally, it's time for balancing and the exciting first flight. Locate the glider's center of gravity, usually about 1/3 back from the leading edge of the main wing. Add small weights to the nose or tail as needed until it balances perfectly. Then, find an open space and gently launch your glider. Observe its flight and make small adjustments for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.